Welcome to another lesson in Tagalog learning. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD, speaking to you about the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am author, writer of 22 books. The first book, ang kauna-unahan ko pong aklat in Tagalog, Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, and on the left, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes. That's my beloved mom, right in our kitchen, in the house where we were growing up. Written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, and that's the gift of my students here in New York City. A Filipino is a valedictorian. Isn't she good? ABC and Miss Gutierrez is a special teacher. And you also are very special. In Tagalog, kumusta po kayong lahat? At inaanyayahan ko po kayo sa isa pang leksyon sa Speak Tagalog. And all my books are available worldwide at Amazon. Ito pong Speak Tagalog. Speak Tagalog is available at outskirtspress.com, Amazon. Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes is available at Ex Libris, Amazon, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, and my other website, juanitagutierrez.com. Before I continue, I would like to thank all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart. In Tagalog, nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng aking mga subscribers. At kung mauulit ko po sila, ito po ay na pasalamatan ko na rin po sa isa kong video kahapon. I have set up another video yesterday where I thank all my wonderful subscribers, and I will continue to say all the names. Ipapagpatuloy ko po ang pagsasabi ng mga pangalan, my wonderful subscribers, and I will continue to update you with all my new subscribers. My new subscriber, Aweng Mix Vlog, thank you po. Ednalvan Santiago Official, thank you very much po. I hope that I pronounce your names very well, and I apologize if I made a mistake, and we will correct that as soon as possible. Kuya F. Sajelang, Bikanan Ki Rasoy, Fit and Bendy, Tinstone Vlogs, Rina K. Rajastani Rasoy, and Mori Chon Bong, and I hope that I pronounced that very well, and again I apologize. I have to correct it next time. And welcome once again to our Speak Tagalog language. Tagalog is one of the official languages of the Philippines. And welcome once again to our lesson on parts of speech. Parts in Tagalog, bahagi of ng speech, pananalita in Tagalog. We have pang-angkop. Pang-angkop. In English, ligature. And it connects relationships between words structures. Halimbawa in Tagalog, in English, example. Malaking pisara. The pang-angkop or ligature is NG. Ito po ang pang-angkop. The pang-angkop is NG. Malaking pisara. Another halimbawa or example in English is asul na damit. Na is pang-angkop. Let's review parts of speech. Bahagi, parts ng o pananalita, speech. Pang-angkop, in English literature, connect relationships between words structures. One moment. Excuse me, please. And halimbawa in Tagalog, example in English of pang-angkop, malaking pisara. The NG, the noun, is pang-angkop. Malaking pisara, the noun or NG, is pang-angkop or ligature. Connecting relationships between words structures. Another halimbawa, example in English, asul na damit. Na is the pang-angkop. Asul na damit, in English, blue dress. Malaking pisara, in English, big blackboard or chalkboard. So that's pang-angkop, bahagi ng pananalita, in English, parts of speech. I hope you learned something today as well. And thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ, love and light. The word Christ means unconditional love. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman, Gutierrez, BSCDMS CD. See you all again. God bless and take care.